My daughter wanted me to put this design on a sweatshirt for her. It's a symbol from the character Shadow from the movie Sonic, or the video game Sonic, and she wants it on a black hoodie. So I'm just going to share with you how I do that. So I've already uploaded the image to Cricut Design Space. I have a Cricut machine. There's other cutters that can do the design, but I have a Cricut. It's an older one. I think like Cricut Explorer 2 or 3. Not really sure, but I've had it for a while and it still works. So don't plan on getting rid of it anytime soon. So what you would do is upload the design to Cricut Design Space. And you can adjust the size to whatever size you want. And then you load the material, which is this heat transfer vinyl sheet. You load that into the machine and it'll cut the design. I've also got my heat press warming up. Each material that you use, it has a specific temperature setting. I think for that type of vinyl, it's 300, maybe a little less. And you would press it for about 15 seconds. So by the time it's cut out, this should be at the right temperature. This is the mat that you put the material on, or your vinyl, and it is sticky. So when you put the vinyl on the mat, you put it shiny side down. So this is just a plastic film that goes down. That's what's going to be stuck against the mat. So I've got the vinyl attached to the mat, and I'm just going to go ahead and feed it into the machine. And it's got these little grooves to show you how to line it up. And it's kind of hard to see it while I'm holding my phone, but okay. Then you just push this button so it'll pull it through. And then you set the dial for the type of vinyl you're using. So since I'm using HTV, I'll just set it to iron on, because that's how you put it on. And then I go back to my computer to actually send the design to the cutter. So I'll just press make it. And you want to mirror the image. Since it's got to be ironed face down onto the sweatshirt, you want to mirror it so it'll flip the design. And continue. And it'll start to cut. I'm in the garage, so my internet is a little slower, so it may take a little while. Okay, now it's ready. Right, and then you'll see the progress here when it's ready. It'll just slide it out. And then from here, I'll just cut away the part of the design or the part of the paper that wasn't cut. And then it'll just reveal the design that I'm actually going to put on the sweatshirt. I've removed the excess vinyl and I've got it placed on the shirt, or the sweatshirt. So now I'll go ahead and take it over to the heat press and press it for about 15 to 30 seconds. And that'll be it. And here's the finished sweatshirt. The design is still a little bit warm, but it is not going anywhere. And this is the finished sweatshirt.